Hi friends, welcome back to your English Linguist, where we have fun learning every day. Today, we're learning the phonics sounds of letters M and N. Are you ready? Let's start. The most common phonics sound is M as in man. M is a voiced sound made by pressing both lips together. It is consistent in most words. Examples: monkey, man, moon, mango. The most common sound is N, as in net. N is a voiced sound made by pressing the tongue to the roof of the mouth behind the teeth. Examples: nest, nose, net. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.